Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your Cider application on your mobile device. If you are trying to log into your existing Cider app, launch open the Cider application on your mobile device first. And then once you do that, you'll end up in this home page from where you'll need to tap on the Me button at the bottom right. Now, click on Login at the top and then make sure to enter your email address for your account you are trying to sign into. After typing it down, click on Continue. On the next page, you can go ahead and log in using your password or verify your email by entering the verification code you received via email. I'm gonna go with verification code. So open up your email service provider application and open up the email from Cider. Make sure to write down this code inside the app. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that's how easy it is to log into your existing Cider account. All you need is your email and your password, or you can also go log in with your email address itself. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.